Hazrat Abdullah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu said, "O nephew, I performed the prayer 2 years before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was commissioned. I asked, facing which direction would you perform the prayer? He replied, the direction to which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu would turn my face." The remaining part of the hadith is similar to that of Sulaiman bin Mughira, but it aids both of them went to a soothsayer and his brother Unes continued praising him until he swayed dominant over him. We took his camels and mixed them with ours. This hadith also says, then the Prophet ﷺ came, performed circumambulation of the Kaaba and performed 2-unit prayer behind Hazrat Ibrahim's station. I then went close to the Prophet ﷺ. I was the first of the people to salute him as per Islamic way of saluting. I said, "Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah." He ﷺ replied, "Wa alayka salam." Who are you? This hadith also says, since when have you been here? I submitted, for 15 days. It also says that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, let me serve him as a host tonight. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6311.